Hi all, welcome again. Today we are going to see tricky question 5. The question is find two prime numbers whose sum is 60. Follow these steps to solve such questions. Step 1. The given number must be an even natural number greater than 2. If yes, then treat the given number as the minuend. Now, let us apply step 1 to the given problem. Is 60 an even natural number greater than 2? Yes. So, treat 60 as the minuend. Step 2. Take the prime number just smaller than half of the given number. Treat this as the subtrahend. Now, let us apply step 2 to the given problem. Half of 60 is 30 and the prime numbers less than 30 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. Now, you have to consider the prime number just smaller than 30, that is 29. So, treat 29 as the subtrahend. Got it? Now, move on to step 3. Subtract the subtrahend from the minuend to get the difference. Apply step 3 to the given question. In this case, 60 is the minuend, 29 is the subtrahend. So, the difference is 31. Now, move on to step 4. Collect the subtrahend and the difference. These are the two prime numbers whose sum equals to the given number. Got it? Apply step 4 to the given question. In this case, the subtrahend is 29 and the difference is 31. So, 29 and 31 are the two prime numbers whose sum is 60. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky questions, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.